Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, hello, JT Group, Sendai, Cloudpoint, Velesto, my EGEL Rich, okay, and also ECA, okay, Perdana, Well Chip, EJ Food, Wasco, okay, Plytech, hello, Patrick, hello, Jordan, HSI 9988, okay, review EPMSC, okay, no problem, okay, so yeah, please help me to click like and also share this or live link lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in later. Okay, so today content will be the same. Let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, ongoing cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q and A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, and yeah, please help us to click a like lah. Okay, at least a like or a love or maybe share lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers. And also disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, let's start with the so next Wednesday 29 Chinese New Year, so no live session Okay, so yep, let's go for first one. Okay, not Bitcoin lah. Let's see the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones last week actually they are previous week actually was quite bearish until last week. Okay, they made a strong comeback, go above 43k. Okay, seems like they are making a strong comeback, and yeah, and tonight is a Donald Trump day lah. Okay, so first day, then tomorrow we see what he say or what he tweet lah. So far market is still more on bullish bias since last week make a strong comeback. So long the price above 42.750, okay, I will still stay bullish with the Dow Jones. Okay, unless they one candle makan down, then maybe we need to change our bias. Okay, for S&P as well, make a strong comeback, go above. They didn't break below 5,008. Okay, they break above 5,009 and go all the way back to 6,000. Okay, S&P also make a strong comeback. Nasdaq as well. Okay, 20 weeks moving averages supported 21k, 21.2k recovered. Okay, seems like they erased previous week losses. Okay, based on this weekly point of view, market is still favor to the bull. Okay, unless they break below, okay, go back below 21k lah, then market not so good lah. Okay, so next one is oil price. Okay, oil price last week they do have a strong spike up, but they already hit the resistance, okay, which I mentioned earlier, which is $79 and $80. Okay, this is a WTI, the price, and this $80 is a 200 weeks moving averages. So the weekly closing actually looks not so nice. Okay, a little bit ugly lah. So based on here, I expect oil price may retrace. Okay, may retrace maybe to 76 or $75 and wait for stabilizer, and we see how it's going. Okay, if continue bad, I think they might come back down to $72 or even lower. So tentatively, oil price for me is the rebound is over. So maybe they need to have some pullback, okay, for the oil price. And how about the gold price? Gold price is still alright. Okay, they recover above 2660. Okay, tentatively they yet to break above 2720 only. Okay, once they can clear, I think gold price still have potential to go up further, probably to 2794 or 2008. Okay, this is a gold price lah. Tentatively, most markets still in the bull. Okay, especially Bitcoin as well. Okay, yeah. So far, okay, in my opinion, Bitcoin is still in the sideways lah. Okay, they are just trading within maybe 92k to 100k plus minus. Okay, tentatively, they are trying to break the all-time high, which is somewhere around 108. So we see what happened this week. Okay, I still need to wait for this week closing lah. See how it's going. Okay, at least for today is wait for the daily price closing. Okay, stay above 100k. I think they still got chance to go up higher. And for the Ethereum, they do have a stress test lah. Okay, they come back down all the way to 2009 and 3000 and able to recover back above 3002 lah. So which consider not too bad for them. So tentatively, if compared, yeah, of course, Bitcoin is strongest because they already all-time high, okay, and create a new all-time high again, okay. But for Ethereum, they yet to hit 2021 all-time high. Okay, they are still struggle to break above 4,000 lah. So once they can clear above 4,000, I think Ethereum may have a bright future lah. Okay, maybe they do have chance to re-challenge 4800. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, last week closing if based on the weekly point of view, we officially break below 1588. Okay, and we can see market break all the way down to 1560 and close to 1540. Okay, so what? And we look back, the previous time was last year August. Okay, market also stress test all the way to below 1540 and below 1560 and able to recover back above. Okay, this time we see how it's going. Okay, tentatively, if we base on daily point of view, in my opinion, this is just a rebound lah. Okay, due to market already oversold for so many trading days since 2025 day one. Okay, so last Friday I think is considered a very stress test already lah. Okay, they sell all the way down to close to 1540 and by end of day managed to close above 1560 and today continue rebounding. So based on here, okay, if we see on the technical point of view, this is an oversold and market may rebound to retest a resistance, which is somewhere around 1588, 1590. Okay, for them to make a comeback, I think the minimum need to go back above 1608. Okay, we only can see market make a strong recovery. Okay, otherwise I will see tentatively I will see just a rebound up to maybe 1590 lah. Okay, tentatively. Okay, so that's all for the market outlook. Okay, another is Hang Seng lah, HSI lah. Okay, Hang Seng weekly point of view, they make a consider a good comeback lah. They erase the previous week losses. Okay, they also stress test 1880. Okay, this level 18800 and 18600. I do mention this is a support we need to take note, and market do bounce from this level. Okay, and recover back above 19750. Okay, I think still alright. And next week is a Chinese New Year, right? So maybe they want to make a closing better for the CNY lah. Okay, so also possible. So if we back to the daily point of view, we can see they stress test on last Monday. Okay, 13th of January. Okay, hammer a light candle at 18.8k. Okay, Friday made a good comeback lah. Okay, Friday they break above 19.75k. Okay, so far I think so long they are above 19.75k should be alright for the HSI. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Hello Ismail. Okay, Qi Yuan. Okay, QES. Mike Chong. Hello. Okay. LND Food. Okay. Oh, this is EcoWorks and SNS. Okay, no problem. Yes. Yeah, need your help to click a like and also share this video. Share to your group chat, family group chat also no problem. Okay, then social media, then we can get more viewers to tune in. So this program can continue, keep going. Okay, so let's go for our first one is a JT Group. Okay, JT Group. Okay, what we can see, high volume 555. Okay, previous week was considered a wash down week lah. Okay, Wednesday stress test 440, 430. Lucky thing, they didn't break below 430 lah. Thursday neutral. Friday bullish candle comeback. Volume boleh tahan. Okay, today a little bit profit taking activities. So in my opinion, still alright on the overall structure. Okay, you can see they pump out all the way to 555. So this is your TP level lah. Then they wash down, retest the support, pump out. Okay, but now they face a resistance here. Okay, as we can see, the volume not so much. I would say the rebound okay only. So I think moving forward, most likely this counter will continue sideways just like that until they can break above 485 and 50 cents. Okay, 485, 50 cents. Okay, once they can clear here, I think the rally shall resume lah. Okay, they might come back up to retest a 555. Okay, on the other hand, if they break below 430, then the whole structure not nice already. Okay, this is a JT Group lah. How about the Sendai? Okay, Sendai still alright. Okay, as we can see, actually since 9 of January, they already tested 620. So far, they never break down. Okay, the only thing is they lack of volumes lah. Okay, the volume so only. Okay, good things is they trying to defend 620 lah. Okay, so today closing I would say neutral. Okay, not strong, not weak. Okay, so I would say moving forward, I expect they might go sideways as well. But this one, you can see the big trend is still going upwards, so still alright. Okay, just that short term, the movement a little bit boring only lah, just like that. Okay, next one is a cloud point. Cloud PT. Okay, Cloud PT as well, not too bad. Okay, they have a huge volume on 10th of January. Then following days is more on profit taking activities lah. Okay, Friday, strong price action come back. Okay, so from here we can see Cloud Point, they are trying to defend this level 890. Okay, so far 890 supported quite well. Can today pump up a little bit lah. Okay, so for me is slightly bullish only. So do take note. Previously, they do tested somewhere around 1 ringgit, not really able to go through and go back. Okay, here. So you can see they are about, okay, near the previous resistance. So if we put here, I would say the extreme level would be somewhere around 104. So in between 1 ringgit to 104 would be their resistance zone. Okay, so for this one, clock point lah. So how about the Gamuda? Okay. Okay, Gamuda, I think on Wednesday, on Wednesday, right? My support 1 and 2 is 430. Okay, 415, 430 was my support zone 1. Support zone 2 is 375, 360. Okay, seems like they already rebounded on Friday. Okay, so we can see they have a strong sell. Friday, price action, volume wise, not too bad. Okay, so seems like they want to, they try to defend 415 lah. 415, 430. So this would be your support zone. Okay, this was a minor support. So they come back to retest. So for Gamuda, so long they are above 415, I would say still alright. Okay, so yeah, this time I think they just want to visit the 100 MA's level lah. Unfortunately, they didn't come to all the way 360, 375 lah. Already rebounded. Okay, but yeah, so long they are above 415, I think it's still good for mid-term to long-term. Okay, short-term a little bit weak lah. Okay, so how about the Velesto? Okay, Velesto, this counter on Friday they have volume breakout 180, and today another gap up break above 190. So meaning I will use a 180 as their support. Okay, for this case because Velesto is below 200 MAs, so I trade this counter as a downtrending counters. Even they go up, we just see the rebound up to 215. Okay, this is a Velesto. How about the My EG? Okay, My EG, I do commented before, they most likely is within the sideways zone. Okay, 840, 865 and 940, 960 is a sideways zone lah. Okay, seems like, let me see. Okay, Wednesday they do have a strong sell. Okay, but Thursday is still alright. Okay, Thursday they managed to open gap up, close higher a little bit, and form a so-called bullish harami pattern lah. So Friday another close green. Okay, close at 940, and today another pump up. Okay, the only thing is they're not able to clear above 960 only lah. But based on here, I can comment that they are getting stronger lah. Okay, for My EG, at least they not come down all the way to 840. Okay, they do have some support somewhere around 890, 90 cents like that. Okay, they already bounce up. Means when the price drop to here, got someone willing to buy at here already. Okay, they are trying to support here. Okay, they not wait until the price come here already. So seems like the low is getting higher. Okay, so for me the momentum getting stronger. So hopefully, okay, by then they can stay above 960. 940. Then next level 1 ringgit 105 110. So based on here, I can say my EG not too bad. Yeah, I forgot to put a watch list. Okay, just now, okay, my EG we can see moving forward. Maybe ada chance. Okay, next one is EL Reach. Okay, new counters, but still alright lah. The overall structure is still okay. Okay, as what we can see on 9th of January, they do have a huge volume pump out. But on 13th of January, they have a so-called shooting star alike candle lah. Okay, lucky thing the next day, they didn't break below 445 lah. Okay, they stay above 445. So we can see the coming days, they are more on sideway. Okay, volume diminishing. Okay, for me, it's most likely in the sideway mood. So based on this stress test, we can see the support is at 445. Okay, so meaning so long they are above 445, I can say they are still strong. And do take note on the resistance 480 lah. This is a EL Reach. How about the ECA? ECA not that strong, okay, unfortunately lah. They break below 245. Ever since they break below 245, this seems like turned into resistance already lah. Okay, seems like they are not so strong. So if you still want to put hope on them, your last defense is a 220 lah. But for me, it's not so strong already. Okay, ready to maybe cut loss lah. Okay, if really go below 220, they may go to 195 or even lower. Okay, so what you need to hope is they go back above 245. Okay, close above 245. Best if 250 plus and above, then maybe still got chance. Okay, otherwise I would see most likely they might break below 220 and go all the way down to 20 cents level. Okay, so 220 would be your last chance already lah. Breakdown memang tak cantik lah. Okay, already tak cantik, breakdown lagi tak cantik. Okay, perdana not really move. Okay, high volume sell down Thursday, tapi Friday got a mini hammer, today neutral. Okay, so this one momentum okay, but this perdana is still below 200 MAs lah. So we trade them as a, even you want to trade, okay, trade them as the rebound trade only. Okay, so let me see, the bottom is okay. If you die you want to trade these counters, okay, make sure the closing price don't go below 235 lah. Okay, but this is oil related, right? Meaning the oil sentiment must be bullish. Then they only got chance to go up together lah. Okay, if the oil price crash overnight, I think they hardly to move up. Okay, so based on the technical point of view on these counters, okay, make sure the price above 235. Then you still can put a little bit hope on them lah. Okay, once they break below 235, I think they might have more downside, probably to 20 cents level. And do take note, this counter is below 200 MAs. So for the bottoming, the chances usually is fear one lah. Okay, like here you can see macam bule but they break down. So this one also we thought is a bottoming, right? So if they go down, you need to cut loss lah. Okay, 235. So the success rate, anytime, anyway, the success rate would be lower low. Okay, lower low. Okay, how about the Berjaya Food? Okay, these counters, okay, this one consider a successful case lah. Okay, success case lah. So this counter, if not mistaken, last week or previous live session we do mention before, suspect they are doing bottoming around 340, 350. Since they already tested this level so many weeks, still not able to break down, so they do have a chance of rebounding. So from here we can see on Thursday they do have a volume spike out, but they add the resistance 40 cents lah. Okay, so either you buy before the breakout or you wait for the breakout lah. Okay, and today they do have a pump with volumes. Okay, so for me it's about time already lah. Okay, minimum take some partial profit. So what okay, if we look back what happened back in October, November. Okay, they also macam bottoming. Okay, they also tested here bottoming, pump out, close to the 200 MAs, sell all the way down. Okay, now sideways as well, pump out. Okay, and 200 MAs is about here only. Okay, about 490, 485, 480. So your upside left here for you to at least secure partial profit. Okay, if they can clear above 490, then you can aim for the next level lah, 530, 540. Okay, this is a BJ Food and well chip. Okay, so far okay lah this one. Okay, if you're already in, congratulations lah, right? So well chip. Okay, still nothing. Okay, but this is a new counters back in July last year. Okay, the only interesting part is the volumes. Okay, so let me see where they wash down. So you can see the first time they have a huge volume was at this zone. Okay, sideways here pun ada volumes. Okay, here tak ada volume lah. Okay, this state also ada volumes. This one stress test 107 ada volume recovered. Okay, recently pun ada volume here. Okay, looks like their average cost based on these volumes should be somewhere around 110 lah. Okay, should be around 110 to 120. Okay, looks like the cost macam around here lah. Okay, yeah, of course if they go below 107 whoever bought here all lose money already. So hopefully they can stay above 107. And currently the immediate support will be 113. And for them to make a pump, they need to clear 120 level lah. Once they can clear above 120, maybe we can see 115 level. Okay, technical for the indicator point of view still okay, not too bearish. Okay, yeah, but of course discount is still in the sideway, and we still don't know how long they want to do sideway. Okay, sometimes the accumulation will take up to weeks or months or years also possible. Okay, but based on recent performance and the volume, seems like this is a potential support, and as long as above 107 lah. Okay, below 107, sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, how about the Wasco? Okay, Wasco is still alright. Okay, even though last Wednesday they break below 200 MAs, Thursday also ugly. Okay, Friday they try to bounce up lah, found a mini support, and today also a high volume pump up, but by end of day macam tak berapa strong lah. Okay, so based on here, maybe we still can give them a last hope. Okay, for me, I not so light already, but yeah, still can lah, because of here got a pump with volume, retrace, low volume, and today also got pump out with some volumes. So meaning so long above 116, still watchable lah if you are interested. Okay, but if you bought at lower price at least here 200 MAs is a level for us to I think at least protect some profit. Okay, protect some profit. Okay, and another half maybe you can put your trading stop below 116, meaning cut loss protect profit price is somewhere around 115 or 114 lah, also can. Okay, this is a Wasco. How about the Plytech? Okay, Plytech still doing nothing, but yeah, you can see the structure is still going up lah. Okay, the structure is still okay. Just that you can see the price movement macam just within the zone only. Okay, but overall I think they are still alright lah. Okay, so long above 340, nothing much to comment. Still okay. Just okay, you need more patience to wait for them. Their movement macam ini punya. Okay, how about the Alibaba? Okay, Alibaba doing great. Okay, congratulations, right? So previously I do mention Alibaba is $79 and $80 lah. Okay, if not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, even though on last Monday they do break down. Okay, open gap down, but the next day they recover back above $79, which is good for them. And today open gap up and recover above 200 MAs. Okay, the only a little bit bad is they do resisted by $85. Okay, even come back down to fill the gap, I think it's still okay lah. Okay, so long above $79, still okay. Okay, hopefully Chinese New Year they give you Okay, how about the MSC? Okay, MSC for me is MSC, right? MSC, okay, correct. MSC, okay, technical point of view, a rebound signal lah. Okay, due to the volume and the pattern lah, chart pattern lah. Okay, here 204 is a support. Okay, so based on here, we can see MSC support, support, support. Okay, and if we zoom in, okay, what happened on Friday? Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a strong sell. Okay, Friday, highest volume. Okay, also bearish but today they open gap up, close high. Okay, this is a so-called bullish piercing pattern so they erase all Friday losses. Volume wise, not too bad. Okay, so for me, in my opinion, this consider a potential rebound signal lah. Okay, so if able to rebound, you turn it on 220, 225, and 230. So for this case, if you want to look for immediate support, let me see. 330, 430. Okay, let me see on the smaller time frame. Tipu punya TOP, this one. 430. Okay, maybe opening they do have chance to. Okay, highest volume is somewhere around 211 211 210. Maybe you can KFV 211 210. Okay, the closing is they use a TOP to make the price close nicer only lah. Okay, otherwise supposedly to be closed at around 210 and 211. They also draw the chart lah. Okay, so if happen tomorrow closing, tomorrow opening, when they retrace down to 211 210, maybe you can KIV lah. Okay, but this counter do bear in mind that they are below. Okay, they are below 200 MAs. So we are against the trend. We are against the trend. Okay, how about the CEB? CEB still nothing lah. Okay. Zoom in, not much volumes. So we can assume this counter, when this one? March 23 Okay, first day downtrend until today lah. So we can see this CEB have a strong sell down. Okay, since I think August, last year August. So now they are in a sideways only. Okay, volume wise, we can see these few months actually they don't have much volumes. Okay, unless you are very optimistic with these counters, then you can start to accumulate. Otherwise, wait for signal. Okay, for me, I didn't see any solid signal yet. Okay, especially not much volume. So I guess they are still in the accumulation phase. Okay, this could take up few months, few weeks, few years, also possible. Okay, dialogue. Dialogue, good comeback. Okay, dialogue, I think this one I remember my previous review was 184, 182 supported very well. Okay, so as long as above 184, 182, still okay punya. Okay, so so far lucky thing lah, they didn't break below, and today volume spike out, closing price 2 ringgit. So based on here, seems like this is a sell down. They are forming a bottom. Okay, today have a breakout at the volumes, closing 2 ringgit. Okay, and now they are at 100 MA resistance. Okay, so now we need to draw a support for them lah. Okay, should be somewhere around 192, 193. Meanings above 192, 193, still okay. And actually a bit sacrifice some profit already lah. Okay, now is at one of the resistance. Depends on your intention. Okay, if you are short-term trader, of course 2 ringgit is a level for you to maybe protect some profit already. But if you still want to fight on, the volume is still okay, momentum is still alright. Okay, as long as above 192, my bias is still on rebounding mode. And ultimately, I will see the 220 level which is somewhere around 200 MAs. Okay, the price may be different, like plus minus so 220 is a 200 MAs, so you need to see or maybe 218 they already reverse already. Okay, so I give you agak the resistance level Okay, so how about the genting? Genting still very weak lah, in my opinion, still very very weak. Okay, the only bright side is they trying to defend 355 level only. Okay, you can see previously back in December, okay, or until year end now, they supported 355, bounce up. Okay, hit here, unable to go through. Ngam ngam 2025, after 2025, washed down already. Okay, so for me, they are still very very weak. Okay, so depends on your intention. If you're trading, I feel okay only lah, not so attractive. Okay, and yeah, as long as above 355, still got something to see lah. But if they go below 355, I think they may have more downside on this Genting. Okay, by the time we only review lah, if happen they break below 355. Okay, how about the SNS? Okay, SNS tak berapa cantik already. Due to they already break below 200 MAs. Oh, this pump very fake. Pump out, trap everyone in. Then they wash all the way down. Somehow wash down below 540. Okay, Friday high volume sell down. Yeah, based on technical point of view, supposedly they need to visit somewhere around 470 lah. Okay, based on today and Friday closing, looks like they form a so-called bullish harami pattern lah. Okay, high volume on Friday. Today boleh tahan saja lah, but at least it's a bullish candle. So based on here, we can see, yeah, maybe I put 50 cents lah. Okay, so as long as above 50 cents, I think they do have chance to rebound up a little bit more. Yeah, of course, 540 is their immediate resistance. Okay, if they are able to clear above 540, then 575 lah. Okay, R1, R2. Okay, for me, based on this, I think they do have chance to bounce up a little bit more. Okay, but if they break below 50 cents, next level maybe 470 or even lower for this SNS. How about the QES? Habis. Okay, QES. Yeah, as I mentioned before, if we do a rebound trade, 200 MAs is a level at least protect partial. Okay, protect partial. Okay, this give you so many chance already, 60 cents to protect partial. Okay, so now most likely they already washed down and most likely will continue go sideways lah. And the price at the moment is below all moving averages. For me, is nothing much. Okay, maybe short term they do have some chance to bounce up lah, due to they have multiple hammer at here, somewhere around 525. So if they are able to bounce up maybe to 550 or 555 like that. Okay, maximum maybe rebound up to 580 lah. But overall they are still weak. Okay, this one is a QES. How about the Supermax? Supermax, I think, okay, at the moment, what I can comment is the selling pressure is slowing down, but they yet to show the bullishness lah. So we can see this one is a pull up. Okay, it's a strong rally. So this is a pullback. Okay, so based on this few days performance, I think they are likely to go sideways dulu. Okay, so we can see not much volume as well lah. So most likely they will continue sideways. Okay, and we yet to detect any bullish candle with volumes to signal us to signal that they might continue to go up. Okay, so tentatively based on here, I can see they already rally up, retrace, maybe need to rest a while lah. So most likely Supermax will continue sideways, but overall structure they are still on the bull side. Okay, still on the bullish side. Okay, okay, just that maybe short term need to wait lah. Okay, need to wait lah. Okay, about Corsan. Oh, Corsan weaker. If compared with Supermax, Corsan weaker. Okay, but this one I will say still still consider a pullback, but the pullback is a little bit strong lah. Okay, so for this Corsan, as long as above 220, still alright, but they are still a little bit weak. Okay, based on what I see here lah, they are still a little bit weak. So maybe they might come back down to 220 something and go sideways dulu. Okay, so they are still in a maybe I can say they are still in a correction mode. Okay, still in a correction mode. And how about the at Genta? Okay, this one as well lah. 200 MAs. No matter how, if you do a rebound trade, 200 MAs is a place for us at least to protect partial. Okay, even they can go up, take partial dulu. Okay, now they come back down already lah. So the breakout consider fail. Okay, because they already below 200 MAs, below 80 cents. So most likely they will sideways around this level. Okay, as long as above 70 cents, sideways above 70 cents, maybe still ada chance in future. Okay, because they now, okay, because now they are above 50 and 100 MAs. Okay, if they can sideways around here, maybe still ada chance to come back. Okay, but if they go below 70 cents, susah already lah. Okay, they might come back to 65 or 62 cents there, continue sideways. Okay, this is a agenda and EcoWorld. EcoWorld pun tak berapa boleh. Okay, not tak berapa boleh. Okay, I would say they are more into correction mode. Okay, now they are at the 100 MAs. Okay, two level to consider lah when they retrace. Okay, this counter is still in an uptrending mode. So currently they are at one of the support, which is at 180. Okay, if they break down, next level would be, let me pull up a little bit, 168. Okay, still okay, still okay. So maybe they are facing some correction mode. Okay, correction mode, either to 180 or 168. Okay, so yeah, just like what happened here lah. They're gonna sell down. Then once they have a reversal signal, they continue rally up. Okay, this is a EcoWorld and SNS. Oh, SNS we covered already. Okay, Kinergy. Still okay lah. Wednesday not so nice, but Thursday you can see Thursday they make a comeback. Okay, with a hammer, a light candle. Yeah, even though intraday they break below 770, but managed to recover. Friday is still alright. Okay, and today neutral. So I will say if you are still interested, I think it's still alright. Okay, take note on your resistance 880 only. KLW Sabah Live Water. Okay, new counters. Not much volumes. Okay, the last time is 2nd of January. Okay, 24th of December. Okay, these counters, nothing much to comment, but I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, new counters only lah. Pump out. Okay, rally a bit, retrace. Now most likely in a sideways mode. Okay, they are not bearish, but not bullish as well. Okay, so I would say they are still in a sideways, and if want to choose a side, I would say they are more favorable to the bull side lah. Okay, more favorable to the bullish side. Okay, how about the FB? Okay, Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Okay, still okay lah. FFB. Okay, still okay. Okay, just the movement for this counter you can see. Oh, very boring lah. Okay, maybe you think, oh, other people earn money already, but my FFB from September until now 180, 175 there sideways. Okay, but still okay. Okay, just this is their characteristic. Okay, this is the way how they move only. But you can see they are quite slow, but they are steady. Okay, they are steady. Still okay lah. Okay, just since September, end of September until now, they are just trading within the range, just in a sideways. Okay, but I think they are still okay lah. Okay, still okay. MRCB, not so okay, but they are at the support. Okay, closing price 50 cents. So for this MRCB, take note on the 490. Okay, take note on the 490. Don't break lah. Break tak cantik already. Okay, but they are below 200 MAs lah. Okay, for me, okay only lah. Okay, Petronas Chemical. I think these counters quite many people like. Okay, so what I can comment at the moment is they back to the support 460. 450 zone. Okay, so let me delete. Okay, this is a support zone. They're back to this zone. Okay, but overall they are still in a bear mood. Okay, the only bright side is okay, they found a support to get supported only 460, 450. Okay, so long they are above 450, I would say at the moment it's still safe lah. Okay, at the moment still safe. Okay, how about the Bintai? Very penny counters. Nothing much I can comment due to not much volumes lah. Okay, actually the pump if based on the chart point of view I think the pump is over lah. Okay, last year, July, August, the pump they dump down and sideways. So this Bintai most likely they might continue sideways for sometimes. Okay, until the penny stock trend come back lah. Okay, MTech. MTech tak berapa cantik. Okay, because they also break below 200 MAs. Okay, and break below 114 lah. So yeah, look back. Okay, look back into the bigger pictures. Oh, actually they are just sideways. Okay, they are just sideways. Okay, but currently they are below 200 MAs. For me, it's not so strong. Okay, for me, MTech is not so strong. Okay, nothing much. ECA we covered already. Or if you want the resistance is a 114. 114, 122. Support 105. 105, 1 ringgit. Okay. Okay, 105, 1 ringgit. Not so strong lah. Not so strong. Okay, next one is Pestec. Oh, sorry, JCY. Okay, JCY still struggle, but the chances maybe I can say okay still there. Okay, due to they have a multiple hammer. Okay, at 450, 475. Okay, today another hammer lah. Even though the volume so only, but at least we can see they trying to defend here. Okay, they trying to defend above 450. So for this case, if you are interested with JCY, yeah, no matter which price, okay, your cut loss is below 450. Okay, below 450 have to cut loss already. Otherwise, they may go to 40 cents or even lower lah. And if they are able to bounce up, maybe to 525, 540 like that. Okay, so you calculate your risk. Okay, where to cut loss. Okay, at least you know 445 or 440 you can is a cut loss price lah. Okay, Pestec. Okay, Pestec recovered above 190. Okay, also means that they recover above the 200 MAs. Okay, for this case, if you are interested, make sure they are above 180. Should be alright lah. Okay, but penny stocks high risk. Okay, how about the Kobe? Kobe still needs some time. Okay, as they already broke below 148. So for me, it's not so strong. And even they bounce up, you can see the volume not so much. Okay, so for me, Kobe not so convincing yet. Okay, wait for some volume to come back. Okay, Genting we covered already. So we go for the next one, Puppy Bank. Oh, 43. Okay, Puppy Bank now at support. Okay, now at the 200 MA support. Okay, 430. Okay, this is their one of the support. Also is a 200 MAs lah. If they break down, next level is about 420 already. Okay, 420. Okay, so 430, 420, you can KFV lah. Dialog we covered. We go for the Franken. Franken mother first. Mother bounce from 4 ringgit. So I think it's still okay. Okay, just a correction. And how about the Sun? Okay, if compared, the Sun is weaker lah. Okay, the only bright side is okay, they are back to the support zone. So 270 30 cents is their support zone. Okay, and this counter state note 2026 expired. So meaning this year is the last year already. Okay, so you don't too close. You don't hold until 2026 already. I think 2025. Okay, if you can cabut dulu lah. Okay, so Genitech. Okay, Genitech, for me, they already rebounded. Okay, last week when we reviewed, they was supported here, 129, 133. And today, open gap up, they already hit here. Okay, for me, here, 200 MAs as our trading rules. 200 MAs, rebound, 200 MAs, take partial profit lah. Okay, in case they come back down. Okay, in case they U-turn. Okay, CapNet. CapNet is a little bit weak. Okay, but at least they try to rebound it from the 370 level. So this one, if you're interested, cut loss below 370 lah. Okay, today closing price 40 cents. If you can get lower, then your risk is lower lah. Okay, Petronas Chemical we covered already. We go for the Alpha. Oh, very penny, this one. Much. So less than a year discounters. Okay, this one, okay, from what I see, nothing much yet. Okay, previously was September, October. They do have some volumes when they are here. Now you can see they have much lesser volumes. So for this case, okay, unless you have the holding powers, otherwise I would say wait for some signal, some volume come in. Okay, otherwise you may get stuck inside. Okay, so for the support is a 315 level 315, 320 But this one we don't know when they will come because I see the volume is super low. Okay, D&O. Yeah, previously kena trap as well 7th of January they do have a good volume pump up. Then they wash all the way down below 2 ringgit. Now back to the bottoming level. Okay, but not much volume appeared yet. So I guess for this D&O most likely might continue sideways. Okay, nothing much for this one. Okay, I think for Malaysia market, today is first day green, but the volume macam tak berapa dare to come in Okay, most counters Okay, for VS currently they are at the support. Okay, 105 is a support. But yeah, even though they close with a hammer like candle, bullish candle, but you can see the volume is so only The volume not too much. So for VS, so long they are above 105, I think still okay Above 105 is still okay. Okay, how about the Notion? Notion, okay, Friday also come back, but the volume okay only. So this one tak berapa strong. They also below 200 MAs. Okay, the only bright side is Friday they made a comeback. Okay, but volume okay only. Volume okay only. So for this case, maybe I will say I will put 108 lah. So long the price above 108, maybe still okay. But if the price below 108, tak berapa okay. Okay, this is a Notion. MRCB we covered already. We go for the Cresto. Okay, this counter is still in the uptrend. Okay, so the only thing is they are a little bit tired. Okay, so you can see these few months they are just trading within the zone. Okay, 115, 160, 160, 115. Okay, and this not even hit 160, they come back down already. So you can see these counters most likely in the big sideway lah. Okay, but the bright side is they are still above 200 MA, so consider as a uptrending counters now. Okay, just short term, mid term maybe okay, short term short term a little bit weak only. Okay, so TH Plantation not so great already. Sudah habis the game. Okay, even though you can see previously, you can see they bounce up, they come back down. Okay, bounce, no strength. Okay, no strength, they come back down, break already. Okay, they break the support strong support zone. So for me, no longer good looking. So if we want to check, maybe we can see the CPO price. CPO price, you can see also, okay, technical point of view, double top. Okay, or you can say it's a M shape, M shape breakdown. Okay, the only thing is currently they are at 200 MAs lah. So you need to see whether they can bounce from 4,002. Okay, so and whether they can go above 4,005. Okay, only other sentiment come back lah. Otherwise, a little bit susah. Okay, a little bit susah for plantation at the moment. Okay, how about the Genting Malaysia? Okay, if compared, Genting Malaysia is stronger than Genting. Okay, based on technical point of view. Okay, at least they built out a good base here. Pump out for window dressing. When they wash down, they still get supported higher. Okay, so for me, Genting Malaysia is I think would be if compare, I think would be a better choice than Genting lah, based on technical point of view, as long as they are above 215. Okay, at the moment the price is about 223, so if happen they can come back somewhere nearby 220, I think you can KIV them lah. Okay, but this counter is below 200 MAs lah, still downtrending. Okay, for Genting, maybe I need to wait for them to make a better structure first, only consider. Amulus, ever since they break down below 290, 285, I would say they are no longer that good looking lah. Okay, but yeah, now it's still very weak. Okay, now it's still very weak. So if you're interested, you can try with your cut loss below 265. Okay, but for me, it's not so worth to risk it lah. Okay, I prefer to wait for them to recover above 290. Only plan for entry. Okay, how about the Axiata? S1, S2, R1, R2. Okay, Axiata also in a downtrending mood, but you can see Axiata since when? July until now. Resistance is here. Support is here. 225, 220. Okay, if we zoom out, we can see all this while they are trying to defend here. 225, 220. And their resistance, 255, 252. Okay, but the 200 MA is coming down lah. So maybe 200 MAs is around 247. Okay, now, okay, but these counters, okay, still downtrending. Okay, still in a bear mood lah. Okay, Genting Malaysia covered. We go for the Lei Hong. Lei Hong also tak berapa boleh they already below 200 MAs. So not so great. Okay, maybe we can put a support here, 330. Okay, not so strong lah, not so strong. Already break below 200 MAs. We still need to wait for some signal for these counters. Okay, how about the CTOS? CTOS okay, as mentioned before, CTOS are these counters you can see since 2022 until today they actually not really going anywhere lah. Okay, they are just within this zone. Okay, yeah, of course, you can say now they are approaching the support zone lah. Okay, which is a 110, 112 level. But you can see since 2022 until now 2025 not really go anywhere. So for capital gain wise not really gain anything lah. But dividend, I don't know lah. Maybe if you think okay, then yeah, at least they got give you some dividend for holding it. Okay, but for the trend point of view, I would say they are more into a little bit bearish to downtrend. Bearish to sideways lah. Bearish sideways. Okay, how about CTOS and Renhu? Okay, Renhu is still okay. Still in an uptrending mood. Okay, not much volume lately. Yeah, a lot counters, not much volumes. Okay, now they are back to the support zone. Okay, and near to the 200 MAs. So take note on 135 level. Okay, 135, 136 is your support. Okay, stay above. I think still alright lah. Okay, how about the MN holding? stress test. Okay, they stress test 1 ringgit 990. So far it's still supported lah. So hopefully stay above 990. I think it's still alright for the MN holding. Okay, I think time for them to stabilize. They already pull up so much. They wash down. Most likely they will sideways macam ini. Okay, just like here lah. They pull up, they wash down, they sideways. Okay, so still above 200 MA. So I think it's still alright lah for MN holding. RCE. Not so okay RCE not so okay. They already break down below the 200 MAs. They break down 150, break down 148. Today closing price 147. So unless tomorrow can close above 150, then consider still alright. Tapi yeah, not so good lah. Okay, not so good lah. You can see they are forming a so-called double top. If they break down, we may see more downside on these counters. Quite volatile this one. Next support is somewhere around 13 something 140 already. $135 $140 would be the next support zone. RCE cap. Okay, GBGA. Gabungan nothing yet Yeah, even you can see today's rebound no strength. Okay, break below 290280. So they are back to the 2022 support zone somewhere around 250. So this one I think no hurry yet. Okay, not worth for us to jump in. Okay, not worth yet. So wait for them to stabilize somewhere around 250-260, then we KIV again. Okay, Bobby Bank we covered. Okay, and how about the Dayang? Oh, Dayang rebounding. Okay, Dayang, this one, the line, I think last week I draw lah. Okay, so yeah, lucky thing they didn't break below 194. Friday made a comeback. Okay, Friday got volume, comeback. And today close above 210, 208, which is good for the rebounding momentum lah, momentum. So for this, take note on 230 and 242. Okay, for the resistance for Dayang. Okay, how about the MSM? Okay, the Gintech we covered already. The young MSM, sorry, MSM volume tak. Okay, MSM, what I can comment, okay, is they are still in the sideways zone. Okay, these counters we can say, wow, downtrend. This one also typical M shape breakdown. Okay, still okay punya. Tapi here tak okay already. When they break below 200 MAs, tak okay already. So sell. Now they are like forming a bottoming lah. So we can see here. Okay, I zoom back. So we can see since when? August until now. Okay, August until now, they are still in the sideways zone. Okay, and not much volume lately. So I would say most likely they are still in the sideways zone and pending for some volume pump in lah. Okay, no volume, very susah. Gintech we covered. And Velesto we also covered already lah. So my comment is the volume momentum still alright. Okay, especially Friday they have a breakout above 180. Today open gap up, closing price 195. Okay, but what I see is just a rebound lah. Okay, just a rebound. Above 180 still okay. Below 180 tak berapa boleh. Okay, next one is a EMCC S1R. Sorry. S1R1, okay, support. Okay, so for EMCC, okay, this counter is still below 200 MAs. Consider downtrending punya. So for the support, maybe we can put at the 355, 360. Okay, since they do supported quite well here. And resistance, take note here. 390. And yeah, I think I need to put the 200 MAs level already down. 390.40 cents is the R1, R2. And the support 360, 355. Okay, this is a EMCC, but downtrending, this counter downtrending. Hibiscus. Not really move. Okay, hibiscus also in the downtrending mode. Okay, if we zoom out, okay, the only bright side is okay, they are at the support zone 190. Okay, support level lah. So this was back in 2022. They do bounce from 190. Okay, but you can see that they also not able to go through here. Then they come back down here. Okay, but this counter is still below 200 MAs, so we trade them as a rebound setup lah. Volume momentum still boleh. Okay, so long above 190, maybe okay lah. Okay, maybe okay. Okay, MMAG is a penny stocks lah. Was a penny stocks lah. Very illiquid punya. So based on the momentum wise, I will say, I mean based on the structure wise I think it's still okay lah. Okay, support 455 and 455 and also 415. Okay, below 415 memang tak okay Okay, TM. Okay, TM found a support at the 630 Friday closing not too bad. Hammer a light candle. Today neutral lah. So for me, the support is a 630, and hopefully they can close above 650. Okay, once they can clear above 650, should be alright. So yeah, and hopefully TM can stay above 630, then okay lah. Okay, so I think not too bad lah, not too bad. How about the CLMT? Okay, CLMT is still in the uptrending mood. So just that the movement you can see lah. Okay, quite boring. Okay, the movement a little bit slow. Okay, so you can measure the price above 645, still okay. Above 645, still okay. Ramzo Okay, Ramzo is still doing great, especially despite on the market sentiment so only they break out 760. Okay, so we need to refer back to the previous resistance back in the 2021 815. Okay, take note on your next resistance 815. Okay, they are still bullish Okay, Ramzo is still bullish. Okay, how about the Suncon? Last one kena con already now. Okay, AA. Okay, Suncon tentatively not nice because they already broke below 200 MAs, and also they broke below 368. Okay, now what we can see is the selling pressure started to slow down due to these 2 to 3 days. They're trying to support here 347. Okay, so unless they can go back above 4 ringgit lah. Okay, otherwise I would say they are still weak. Okay, so if you're still interested with them, 345 cannot break. Okay, cannot close below 345. Once they close below 345, they likely to revisit 320 and 3 ringgit level, S1, S2. So you can see the sell is strong. Okay, we need to see some reversal signal like this. Okay, this is back in let me see, August last year. So they also have a strong sell. We need something like this. Either a bullish candle with volumes or hammer or a super bullish price action. Okay, otherwise I still see nothing lah. Okay, if you in, then you take note on 345 cannot break. Tak cantik. Okay, and yeah, hopefully they can bounce up at least 370. Okay, at least 370, then tentatively safe lah. Then hopefully they can clear above 4 ringgit by then. Then okay lor. Then the uptrend may continue. Otherwise, very not so good already. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you everyone, and and also thank you Sifu for having me here lah. If you yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. And for those who need to have some assistance or you need to ask something, okay, you may join my Telegram. Okay, screenshot this QR code and join it later. If anything, I try to reply as soon as possible lah. Okay, and this one live session we have until 27th of January, which is next Monday lah. So next Wednesday already is a Chinese New Year. So next Wednesday no live session. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you everyone. We see you next, not next, is see you on Wednesday 8:30. Thank you.